my channel, enjoy the video until end to get complete experience from it. Thank you. Pretty braids. Make a small braid and tuck the hair between the braids, then tie it well in the middle. Make another braid in the middle, roll it in a circle to make a flower model. Hook a small braid, hanging midway in the flower shape, and pin it well. Single braid. Tie your hair together. At the back, make a braid, and add knickknacks to spice up the look. Simple and beautiful. Beautiful braids combination. Make a bigger braids, at the end in the middle of your head, roll it. Then make an other smaller braids, hook hanging with the braid in the middle. Comb it well. Tie it well, and you're ready to perform to the party. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel by hitting subscribe and like button.